So hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 1.45 GB perfume and soap dispenser mockup. Here you see the preview and now I show the property. Here you see it's 1.45 GB. For example, I open it. Here we have two design 1 and design 2. If you want to change logo or text on bottle, then double click on it, and if you want to replace the logo or text on box, then double click on it. For example, I open anyone. With the help of move tool, move it and delete this one layer, then adjust it, Ctrl S to save. Now you see our logo is replaced here. Same like it, you can edit your logo on bottle and on any template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.